morning. Who I'm talking to?
Me with Sarah.
Oh, good morning, Mrs. Sarah. Is there anything we can help with you?
I want to complain. Yesterday I bought a product in your company. Why the product does not work? What the heck happened? What do you sell product like this?
I'm sorry in advance. Didn't you try this product when you broke the product?
I have tried it before and it still work.
If that's the case, mother can bring the product back to the company to handle repairs and inspection first.
Can you guys work a little better? Okay, I'm going there now.
Thanks for the report, Mrs. Sarah. Good morning.